In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to authenticate your domain on Sendgrid. Domain authentication is an essential step in ensuring your emails are not only delivered effectively, but also recognized as legitimate by email service providers. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll have your domain authenticated, enhancing your email reputation and deliverability. First, we'll need to navigate to Sendgrid's main website. Open your preferred web browser and head to Sendgrid's email API and email marketing campaigns page. Don't worry if this sounds a bit daunting, it's simply the main page for accessing Sendgrid's tools and services. Once you're there, look for the sign in option, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Enter your credentials to access your Sendgrid account. If you don't yet have an account, go ahead and create one. It's quick and free for beginners. Once signed in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage all things related to your email campaigns and API settings. Spend a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to Sendgrid. From the dashboard, look for the Settings tab. It's usually found on the left sidebar. Click on it to unfold a menu of various configuration settings. Next, you'll want to click on Sender Authentication. This step is crucial as it allows you to authenticate your email domain, ensuring your emails are verified and less likely to be marked as spam. Now, once you're on the Sender Authentication page, the option you'll want to select is Domain Authentication. It's recommended you choose this as it provides a significant boost in deliverability by proving that emails from your domain are genuinely from you and not anyone else. Click on Domain Authentication to proceed. As you make your selection, you may be prompted to enter some domain settings specific to your domain host. It's important to follow the on-screen instructions carefully. If you're managing your domain with a service like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or another provider, keep their management dashboard open in another tab so you can easily add the DNS records as required by Sendgrid. This process typically involves copying and pasting, which Sendgrid guides you through efficiently. Throughout this entire procedure, remember that each step you take is about enhancing your ability to reach and engage with your audience effectively. Authenticating your domain helps build trust and credibility, leading to higher engagement and fewer bounces. And there you have it, your domain is authenticated, making your email campaigns more effective and trustworthy. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a quick refresher.